Oh, thank you so much, Abdul.
Do treat your women well and be kind to them, for they are your partners. The Prophet's final sermon, he made it so clear. Treat women kindly. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is due to Allah, and may the peace and blessings be upon the last and final Prophet, Muhammad. O Allah, forgive me, have mercy on me, guide me, give me good health and provide for me. O Allah, make me an obedient son, a loving husband, a supportive brother, a responsible father, a faithful cousin, a generous neighbor, an excellent employee, and a productive member of society. Make all of my statements and actions, both hidden and apparent, be for your sake, and your sake only. O Allah, guide me to paradise, guide me to paradise, guide me to paradise. Amen.